You're welcome to our lesson. You're welcome. Hope you're fine. You're doing well where you are. How is the quarantine situation there? I encourage you to wash your hands regularly and sanitize. Welcome. I'm Teacher Ezekiel. I'm going to teach you literacy. And today we are going to talk about domestic animals, especially the wild and domestic, those that we keep at home and those that live in the bush. So here we are going to talk about animals and types of animals. I know you must be knowing this because we have talked about this. What are domestic animals? Domestic animals are animals that live at home or that we keep at home or that are kept at home. So domestic animals are animals we keep at home. Say after me. Domestic animals are animals we keep at home. Oh yeah, that's very good. What are some of the examples of animals that are there at home, children? We have the cow, the goat, the rabbit, the horse, the pig, the donkey, the cat, and the dog, and very many others. I know you must be mentioning many others there. Okay? So you should help me and draw for me these animals. You must be knowing them. We did this long time. Okay? So how are these domestic animals important? We are going to look at how these animals are useful to us as humans, as man. When I talk about man, I'm talking about human beings. You and I, how are they important to us? When you look at the donkey is used for carrying things. The donkey is used for carrying things. In other words, we use donkeys for transport. Okay? A dog, I think you know, most of you have dogs at home there. What does a dog do? It guards our homes. It protects our homes. Okay? It keeps security at home. When thieves come in at night, it barks to alert us that there are some strangers entering our homes. Okay? When you look at the cows give us milk. Cows give us milk and beef. Beef is meat got from the cows. Okay? I know most of you enjoy. You can't take a week without having meat. You must complain to dad that we need meat. So it's got from the cows and it's called beef plus the milk. Oh, Muslims don't want to mention this, but for those who enjoy it, pigs give us pork. Pigs give us pork. You know that. What animal gives us mutton? It is a sheep. The sheep gives us mutton and wool. Wool is used for making blankets. Mutton is the meat got from the sheep. Okay? Are we together? We sell domestic animals to get money. You can sell your goat. Like for me, they used to sell goats and cows to pay school fees for me. So the animals can be sold to get money, and it's a source of income. So that's how important they are. I say we shall also go ahead to look at the wild animals, the animals that live in the bush. Okay, animals that stay in the bush. Examples. Most of you who watch, you must have seen this on Nat Your World, in the cartoons and so on. Mention for me these animals. We know them already. We have the lion. How let me say? Lion. We have the leopard. We have the tiger. We have the zebra. A snake. Most of you know it. Elephant. The fox. Rhino. And many as you can mention. All those are wild animals, as long as we don't keep them at home. And most of these wild animals are dangerous. They are dangerous animals. You don't need to play with them. If you see a snake, don't go towards it. It is dangerous, my dear. Okay? Uses of wild animals. They live in the bush, but they're also useful to us. How? When you look at most of these animals, most of you have gone to the zoo, not so. You've gone to Entebbe Wildlife Center. Not so. You went there and you paid money to see these animals. So, wild animals bring tourists. These tourists bring in income. They pay money in order to see these wild animals. We can get skins from these animals. What is the purpose of these skins? Some of these skins are used for cultural practices. Like I already see the cultural leaders wearing animal skins. So we get skins from these wild animals. They give us meat. For me, I've eaten meat of a crocodile, meat of a rhino. All these animals give us meat, so long as they are good for eating. That's why some people poach animals in game parks to get meat. Okay? Thank you very much. Thank you for listening, dear children. We shall give you a booklet that you'll answer questions per every lesson that you have taught. Okay? Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.